Hi, I'm Mr. Huffman, and I believe we live in a great, big, beautiful world. So let's get started because there's so much to explore. The one story I picked out for us today is called Edible Numbers. And on this, you can see we've got one pear, and then two cauliflower, and finally there's three plums. The one thing all those have in common, those are all things that we can eat. And so edible is a word that's fancy, but it means it can be eaten. Okay? Starting off, one pea pod, two pea pods, one apple, three apples, one cucumber, four cucumbers, one potato, five potatoes. That's a lot of variety of potatoes. One pear, six pears. One pepper, seven peppers. One mushroom, eight mushrooms. One squash, nine squashes. One tomato, 10 tomatoes. One eggplant, 11 eggplants. One citrus fruit, 12 citrus fruits. And then on this page, you can see there's a lot of, I'll hold it so you can maybe, if you need to, you can press pause and you can play the game because the game is a counting game. So for instance, if you go for the first one, it says, how many plums can you count? You push pause and then you can count the plums. I'm glad you're back. The next one says, how many ears of corn do you see? Push pause and then count. Glad you're back. How many watermelon can you find? And a final challenge for you. How many carrots can you spot? We're counting with edible numbers. So there we are. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And do you remember what that big word edible meant? You did. It means you can eat it. Able to be eaten. Well, you have a great day, and I will see you later.